Hello, my dear health seeker. Inga from Health Origins here. So tonight I'm going to be making Lithuanian white salad, or baldamashrina as we call it. So it's basically a variation of what you probably call it potato salad. So let's begin. So ingredients for this salad are very simple. So I've got some steamed potatoes. I'm still going to need to peel the skins off them. Then I've got some steamed carrots. I might peel the skins or might leave them, it's not a big deal. I've got some dill. This is a frozen dill. If you've got fresh, that's great. Then I've got pickles in brine. So gherkins or cucumbers in brine. It's not the vinegar ones, it's actually the ones in brine that we use. Then I've got an onion, and then I've got these are to make a mayo. So you can have a look on my recipe for avocado mayo, and I'll link to this below. So basically all you need is avocado, some coconut milk, probably half a can. Then I've got some onion powder, I've got some salt, and I've got some vinegar. So let's start. So now, as if by magic, I've got all the ingredients chopped up. So I've got potatoes chopped up in little tiny squares. I've got my carrot chopped up. I've got my gherkin chopped up as well, my onion. I will not use it all because I had some from before as well in here. We've got the dill, and we've got the mayo, and as an optional ingredient here as well, I've got some black salt, because the salad originally includes a boiled egg. We're going to be including some black salt because it's got some sulfur in it, and that gives like a little bit of an eggy taste. So now, and then the proportions, you want to have about a double of the potato to carrot and the pickle, right? And maybe half of the carrot amount of onion, So it depends what your kind of how big of a salad you want to make. I would suggest make more because it keeps. Don't add the onion, add everything else, and actually don't even put the dressing. So basically what you can do, you can mix all these ingredients. So mix all the chopped up ingredients here. Add a couple of tablespoons of dill as well. A bit of black salt, and mix this up. And this mixture can stay in the fridge for, I would say 3, even 4 days. But the tip and trick is, like I said, not to add onion to this mixture. If you add onion, then basically, it will spoil much quicker. So I'm gonna make this big bowl. And because we're going to be eating it tomorrow morning, that's fine. So I'll be adding the onion and the dressing too. So now I've got this mixed pretty much. I'm gonna add half of this onion. And then the whole portion of mayo, because you want it creamy. The salad really benefits from being creamy. Yeah, and then just mix it all in. So there you have it. This is a Lithuanian white salad. And in fact, because we're using my avocado mayo, it's slightly green. So all that's left to do is to taste test it. So I've got a treat for you guys. We've got our best taste tester in the house to taste this.
The best. You heard it here.
There you go.
Oh, the
Lithuanian white, or in this case green salad, because I use the avocado mayo.
Oh yeah. It's got that tanginess at the back from the I think from the gherkins.
Gherkins. And then you can taste the onions a bit as well.
Yeah. It's got a lot of texture to it.
And it's got a little bit of egginess, right? Because I put some black salt in it.
I suppose, yeah. It's actually got a smoothness to it as well. Because of the sauce, it's
Yum, isn't it?
it's really good. I'm going to have some of this now.
Yeah, we'll have a little bit before tomorrow. So yes, let me know if you try this. If you make it, what did you think of it? Any other kind of traditional salads you make if you're from a different country? And we tend to make this for our big kind of festivities and holidays. So for Christmas, for Easter, these kind of times. So I mean, you'll probably see this a little bit later, but it's going to be Easter Sunday tomorrow when we're filming this. So that's why I'm making this. But yeah, I guess it can be enjoyed any time of the year, but it's because somebody's enjoying it.
Don't mind me.
Yeah, but because we are making it, you know, quite rarely, then that's even so much more special then. But yeah, so this is a variation of, would you say it's variation of potato salad?
Yeah, kind of. Obviously the way you cut the potato is very different. Because it's diced very small.
Yeah.
And traditionally, obviously, that's just done with a knife, which can take a very long time. But we actually did this with a little tool, which kind of dices it, and it cuts through it very, very quickly. So this was the quickest we've ever done this, and it
takes a while if you do it, you know, by hand with a knife. Do it like little tiny. The smaller the pieces, the nicer the taste. And in fact, actually, another additional ingredient you can put in this that, excuse our pressure cooker. Sorry about that. So yeah, you could also put some green peas in this. That would work as well. All right.
Yeah.
But it's not mandatory. Sometimes, you know, we post, sometimes we don't. So that's it. If you're new here, subscribe for more videos from us. Hit that bell button. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And until the next time.
See you guys.